Well, good day everybody, and welcome to this test and review video of a Ruko U11MINI 4K. This is a pocket drone, and coming in at just 248 grams, it is exempt from any FFA registration requirements. The Ruko U11MINI 4K is a compact, sub 250 gram drone designed for portability and ease of use. Weighing in at just 248 grams and fitting easily into your pocket, it is exempt from FFA registration requirements. It features a 48 megapixel half-inch CMOS sensor with a fixed focus, f1.8 lens, and is capable of capturing 8K still images and recording 4K video at 30 frames a second. Flight performance is supported by a quadruple positioning system combined GPS, barometric altitude hold, optical flow, and time of flight sensors, which contributes to smooth takeoffs and landings. This drone is a beginner-friendly option with AI-assisted takeoff and landing. And of course, it fits right in your pocket. Sounds like a neat little kit here. Let's check it out. Got your QR codes for your apps, Android or Apple. Right on the box so you don't lose it. And probably also in the manual. Which is good, because I just got a new phone and I have to get all new apps. So it's nice to be able to find that easily. Nice carry case, handle, dual zipper, quick start guide, user manual, flight steps, got a little tutorial QR code, take you right to a handy video, give you a quick rundown on how to fly this pocket drone. Ooh, that's a nice guide as well. Lays right over the controller to show you what it does. There's your Ruko controller. Place to mount your phone. Nice little setup there. Nice and compact. Place to hide away the joysticks for storage. These actually feel very nice, the little rubber rings they have around them. Got a handy little switch here for normal, sport mode, or Cine, C-I-N-E, I'm not sure what that means. Lots of options for flight there. You got your little Ruko drone mini. Very lightweight. Keeps it from having to be registered. Licensed. Get the camera. Need to remove the protective cover. Oh, I never do a good job of taking this off. Protective piece of plastic there. Alright, there it is. Ruko Drone Mini. Handy size. Fits in your pocket. Light enough that you don't need to worry about registration. A great beginner drone right there. Got some USB charging cords here. Looks like your cords to connect your phone to the controller. Replacement blades. That's real nice that they send those. Just in case you run into a tree or something, you break your blades, got a few extras there. replacement joysticks, and a little screwdriver. And here's your battery. So when you get that charged up, got a little charging port right there, USB-C charging. Okay, here's the USB-C to USB-C, which is what I need for my phone. They have that already installed, tucked away in there. Put the rest of these up in the accessory pouch here. Got some after sales service. If you ever have any issues with your drone, be sure to give them a call. Email, go to their website. They got at Ruko Facebook and YouTube accounts. Probably have lots of helpful videos. Alright, let's get this battery charged. Let's get the controller charged. We'll take this thing out for a flight. Let's see what kind of footage we can get. I don't know if it's necessary, but I do like to put these covers back on when I'm not using it. Need to figure out my technique for taking those off. Just gotta be gentle with it. And kind of push forward and twist at the same time. Kind of pushing this way. I just try and yank it off, and it's probably better that I don't do that. Alright, got the controller charged. Drone batteries are charged. Let's go find a nice place to take off and see the sights. Alright, this has a nice clearing above it. Alright, got a handy Ruko app loaded up here on the phone. Phone is connected with the data cable. Gonna go ahead and tap the guide. See, I got a real nice guide here. That's actually really nice. Okay, that is connected to the drone. Alright, I was about to pull out the manual, but they got one right in the app, which is real handy. And you can see right here, 3.2, calibration, and aircraft status indicators. Let's go to 3.2. The status indicator. It is on the bottom here at the back, and it is a solid green. So that means it has completed its GPS signal search. Should be good to go, I think. And there's also a real nice step-by-step process before you get into the controls. It's not linking for some reason. Alright, I think the issue, I'm pretty sure the issue, is that this connector isn't going in far enough on the phone with this case on. And this new phone has a case that's really hard to take off, so instead of trying to take that off each time I want to fly, I picked up a USB extension. It's a little 6-inch extension. It's a USB-C female to USB-C right angle male. Got it for like $3. And that allows the connector to get in there real good. Okay, it is connecting now. connecting to the app. Let's turn the drone on. All right. Finally got connectivity. I can see video. Got good signals. Ready to fly. Definitely flies nice, very smooth on the controls. It's a little fast for this area here between the trees. So I'm gonna click it down a notch to the sign, which is basically slow mode. All right, got an SD card put in. Let's see what kind of footage this thing gets. All right, that is always a lot of fun, flying one of these drones. And I like the pocket size on this. I like that it's light enough that you don't need to worry about registration. Seems to have good flight time, got a good view, and there's still half a battery left. I like it. Check them out, links below. Pretty nice little setup here.